Alright, y'all, we just took it for a little up the street. Like I said, I don't drive anymore a lot, so I just brought it up the street real quick. Give y'all a little pull. I ain't gonna do much. So fast. Ooh, boy. I'm let it sit for a minute now, just a little something. Oh, sound awesome. Let's go. Welcome to another episode of Smiling Swag TV. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Smiling Swag TV, back in here with another video. Alright. Our time, update. Give everybody an update. So, on SS Impala, only thing we gotta get done, get another radio. I'll show y'all what I got fixed on it. So, we did get new struts. I tied the rods done. I did get the foul cover gaskets redone. Only thing we gotta do, basically tint the windows, get it repainted, put a radio in here. See if I can get y'all a cold start. Look like the battery dead. So need to crank up the truck anyway. Don't run a lot. Try to cold start the truck. Charge this battery up real quick. I don't drive it, so I guess the battery done died on it. So yeah, I don't know how much time y'all got. So I'm gonna get this battery crunk up. Give me one more. We're gonna get this battery crunk up. Had to go get the other keys. My wife was talking about getting the doggone battery charge. That's what I'm probably gonna end up doing. Crunk up, you guys. Hope everybody having a blessed and humble day. Y'all know it's Monday, so alright, we're gonna get this thing crunk up. Get out this cold start. Open this hood up. I'm driving enough. I'm gonna let it sit out. Gotta love this. Love the interior. Just gotta love this. Give me one brief moment. Hook everything up. I'm gonna hook up this other one. Gonna get this big baby crump, baby. When I get a paint, I'm gonna get those wheels painted too. But let me know what y'all think. See, I don't drive it a lot, man. But yeah, that's the update. As far as mechanically driving wise, it's ready. Now I just get the outer stuff. Paint, wheels painted, another radio, and we good. Yeah, I know. I like it. Sunroof. Booyah! Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Got more minds coming. Got more videos coming. On that note, Smile Swag TV back out here with another video.